Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a multi-city trip on Google Flights. First, visit the Google Flights homepage. Make sure you're in the Flights section. Here, you'll see options like round trip and one-way. Click on that box and from the drop-down menu, select multi-city. Once you choose this, you'll see an option to add flight, which allows you to enter multiple destinations. Start by entering the location of your first flight. After that, click Add Flight, and another field will appear below. The system automatically sets your next flight's departure city as the destination from your previous flight. You can repeat this process to add up to 5 flights, each with a different city. Next to each trip segment, click on the date field and select your preferred travel dates. Once you've entered all your destinations and dates, click Done. Google Flights will now show you an overview of the trip, including the average price for the entire journey. Remember, since each flight is between different cities, you'll receive separate tickets for each leg. Begin by choosing your flight to the first destination, then continue with the next leg, and so on, until you've selected flights for all segments of your trip. Keep in mind the prices displayed represent the combined cost of all flights. Once you've selected all flights, scroll down and click Continue. This will take you to the booking section where you can complete your purchase. And that's it. That's how to book multi-city flights on Google Flights. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.